There are many iOS users claiming iOS software installation issue when set up a new iPhone or transfer data from old iPhone to the new one, especially after Apple released the highly anticipated iOS 17 and iPhone 15. Generally, iPhone stuck on Install Now screen could be caused by different factors such as internet connection, lack of storage, or low power. In this video, we will show you 5 ways to fix new iPhone stuck on Install Now. Way 1. Check internet connection and charge iPhone. You can attempt to apply different networks or install software updates on your new iPhone in a better internet environment. Making your new iPhone have enough power is also important. Way 2. Force restart iPhone. To force restart iPhone, press the volume up button and release it quickly, then press the volume down button and release it quickly. Then hold the power button until you see the Apple logo on the screen. Way 3. Fix new iPhone stuck on Install Now using Joyoshare UltFix. If your new iPhone software update stuck on Install Now, you can also fix this problem with the help of a professional iOS system repair tool, Joyoshare UltFix. It works well to resolve 150+ iOS system issues with dual repair modes. It is simple to fix iPhone frozen during update, iPhone stuck on preparing update. Firstly, launch Joyoshare UltFix on the computer. Put your iPhone in recovery or DFU mode, and connect it with computer. Select iOS system repair option to proceed, and then click Start button. Select the standard mode to repair iPhone stuck on Install Now issue. In this way, there is no data loss. Then press the download button to download the matching firmware package. Lastly, click the Start Standard Repair button to fix new iPhone stuck on Install Now issue. A few minutes later, your iPhone will restart and come back to the normal. Way 4. Manual setup iPhone. If your new iPhone is stuck on Install Now, then you may need to set it up as a new device. Just proceed to set up your iPhone as a new one without syncing your old iPhone data. After that, go to Settings and reset your iPhone to the factory settings. When it is over, set up your iPhone again to see if the new iPhone software update stuck problem is resolved. Way 5. Restore iPhone with iTunes. What's more, restoring your iPhone to factory settings with iTunes is a good choice when the above methods can take effect. Although it will erase all data and settings stored on your new iPhone, you can recover your data through backup files.